In this video, we are going to use this practice file. You can download this file in the module 4 under name of the constraint practice. Download it and open it through the inventors. So in this, my aim to show you the main constraint which we will going to use in the inventor to improve our sketching. So this is, click on the top view here. Now you have access to the top view of this sketch, but as you see that you're not gonna able to have access to the constraint. In order to able to access to the constraint, you need to click on the sketch 1 and right click it and click it on the edit sketch. Now as you see that you are in the edit mode of the sketch and you have access for this wonderful constraint for your drawing. The first one from the top, which is coincident constraint, we're gonna practice all of them. The second one is a collinear. The third one is a concentric, parallel. We have perpendicular, horizontal, vertical, tangent, and smooth and symmetric. Okay, let's go to the first example. Here we want to apply horizontal constraint for this line. In order to do that, you need to move a mouse to the constraint tab and find the horizontal. This is a horizontal constraint, and do not click it, just move your mouse over the top of that constraint, wait a couple of the seconds and you will have access for the information regarding that constraint. Click it. Now move the mouse and click on the line. Now you applied, as you see, that horizontal constraint, and this shows that this little icon here, it shows that you already applied the horizontal constraint for this line. Now second one is a vertical constraint. Okay, push escapes in order to move out from the previous command. So what we are going to do, we are first going to find the vertical constraint inside of these options. So this is a vertical constraint, and you can read it information about the vertical constraint. Click it, move the mouse on the top of the line. You see that the color line is changed. It means that you are clicking on the top of the line. Click it. Now you apply the vertical constraint for this line. Now push the escapes button. So what we are going to do, apply collinear constraint. So where is the collinear? Let's go and try to find it. This is not a collinear, this is a collinear, right? So what you need to do, click on the collinear, then move the mouse, select the first line. This is the first line, and then select the second line. You see that we apply collinear constraint between these two lines. Now I'm going to use concentric. So the concentric, let's push the escapes button. Okay, now let's go to find the concentric. This is the concentric, right? Click on the concentric. First click the circle. I'm going to first click the larger circle, then the second one. You know, now both these circle has the same center point. This is the concentric constraint which we apply for these two circles. Push the escapes button. Now I am going to apply tangent constraint between this circle and this line. So let's go. Here is a tangent, right? This is the tangent. Click it. So first the curve, select the circle or curve, then the line. Now we applied, as you see that here, tangent constraint between this line and this circle. Push the escapes button. Now we are going to apply perpendicular constraint between these two lines, right? click on the perpendicular. Where is the perpendicular? This is the perpendicular constraint. Click it and move. First click this line, okay, then select this line. Now we have a perpendicular constraint between this line and this line. Thank you for watching, and keep watching this series of the video in order to improve your knowledge about the inventors.